Last month, I was drowning in 70-hour work weeks just to keep up, exhausted, burned out. But then, everything changed. I discovered 7 AI tools that gave me back over 10 hours every single week. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they work. By the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. No more overtime, no more burnout. Let me prove it. Here's my time tracker from last month, 70 hours, and here's this month, just 52. That's 18 hours saved. That means I finally got my weekends back. So, tool number 1, Claude AI. I used to spend 3 hours a week writing emails, proposals, and reports. Now, Claude does it in seconds. Watch this. I give it one simple prompt, and it writes a professional email in less than 30 seconds. That's 3 hours saved every week. That's 156 hours a year, almost 4 full work weeks, gone, just like that. Tool 2, Reclaim AI. Scheduling used to be a nightmare. Meetings, reminders, double bookings, chaos. Now, Reclaim handles everything. It blocks focus time, reschedules meetings automatically, and even plans my breaks. It's like a smart calendar that protects your brain. Tool 3, Otter.ai. I used to spend hours writing meeting notes. Now I hit record. Otter transcribes the conversation, detects who's speaking, and gives me ready-to-use action items. That's 2.5 hours saved every week. Tool 4, Perplexity AI. Research used to be a black hole, opening tabs, reading, summarizing. Perplexity gives me everything in one answer, with sources. Ask a question, get expert-level info instantly. Tool 5, Canva AI. I'm not a designer, but I need designs. Canva's magic design gives me 10 pro-level templates in seconds. One idea in, 10 options out. Done. Tool 6, Zapier. All my apps now talk to each other. Someone fills out my form, they're added to my CRM, get a welcome email, and I get a follow-up task. All automatic, zero effort. Tool 7, Descript. Editing videos used to take hours. Now, I edit like I'm using Word. Delete a word from the transcript, it's gone from the video. Cut filler words, one click, done. Let's add it up. Claude, 3 hours. Reclaim, 2_hour, 2.5 hours. Perplexity, 1.5 hours. Canva, 1 hour. Zapier, 45 minutes. Descript, 30 minutes. That's 11.25 hours saved every single week. That's 585 hours per year. That's 14 entire work weeks back in my life. And with that time, I've launched a side hustle. I'm learning guitar. And I'm eating dinner with my family every single night. You want the same? I've created a free checklist with all 7 tools, exact prompts, and step-by-step guides. It's linked in the description below. Grab it before you forget.